Today we are going to trace Mario and learn how to draw. First, draw his round nose in the center of his face and draw his eyes. And draw his eyebrows. His famous mustache. And his mouth. Then outline his face. And draw his hat. Don't forget to put his M on the center of the hat. Draw his ears, and his face is done. Draw his arms. And his iconic overall. Put some seam lines. And draw his white gloves. Next, draw his shoes. Color his eyes with black and fill it with blue. His eyebrows and the mustache with the dark brown. His face and ears with peach. His hat and top with red. Color his overall with blue. Color his shoes with brown. And Mario is done. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.